Today we're on a bit of a stunt bike adventure. Checking out this pretty cool compound that we got access to. Just really dusty, gravelly, bumpy, all kinds of stuff that's perfect for an adventure. Couple roads here, good place we can get away with this. Looks like this place was an open road. I don't know where it went to or what it was, but I don't want to see where this goes. This is really soft. I might get stuck over here. Stay. Sweet. Let's go check out this water tower. I don't think I've ever been to the top of a water tower. Oh, it's so dark. This is sketchy. It could be like animals in here. I don't like this shit. I feel like I'm gonna fall in a hole. Have you come in here with the light before? Yeah. There's no animals or anything in here? No Chupacabras? Shit. That's way better. Sand and sport bikes don't mix. Speed bumps. Show you one of the fastest ways to turn around. That's what we call a shuffle. Someone asked me not long ago, like, what do I think about when I'm riding, what goes through my head? And could be anything at the moment. A lot of times for certain tricks, certain things go through my head. Anytime I do a stoppie or anytime I do a shuffle or anything like that, traction is key, so I try to compress the front end and make sure that front tire sticks. Otherwise things could end badly. Like right here. Pushing down, grabbing the right amount of brakes. I'm riding this kind of like an obstacle course. Come in and do a stoppie. Just a turn. Into wheelie. Well, it's been another fun day riding motorcycles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.